Hi, this is Bobby from Bobby's Sweet Treats, and today we are going to make an edible cookie Easter basket. You're going to start out with a solid flour cookie, and you're going to want 7 hollow flour cookies for the body of your basket, as well as a half circle cookie for the handle of your basket and some icing. Let's start with your base. You're going to pipe a ring of icing onto your first hollow flour cookie. Go ahead and go slow because that icing is thick and you don't want to burst the bag. And place it on your base, making sure that the petals are offset. You're going to go ahead and add the rest of your flour cookies, the hollow ones, making sure each time that you place it onto your basket that the petals are offset from the cookie that you placed before. So you'll see here that cookies 1 and 3 are offset from cookie number 2. Go ahead, keep adding your hollow cookies, and eventually you're going to end up with a basket that is 8 cookies high. Where every other cookie is lined up and offset from the cookies in between. These cookie edges are going to make up the basket weave of your basket. We're going to add a handle now, piping some icing onto your handle. It's going to take a little while to dry. So once you've got it placed where you want it, go ahead and put it in a safe place to dry for about 20 minutes. Here's a suggestion of how you can put it, and then it's time to decorate. Go ahead and pipe some icing onto the top of your basket. The decoration of your basket is really up to you. Here I chose to take my icing and spread it out a little bit with a knife. And then I chose to add some sprinkles. When it comes to sprinkles, the more the merrier. You can't really go wrong with sprinkles. So have fun with them. It looks like I used them all. That's okay. So go ahead and shake off any sprinkles that didn't stick to your project. And then it's time to add some candy. I just chose to put some little Easter egg candies onto this one. Of course, you can decorate your Easter basket any way you like. The sky's the limit when it comes to creativity and candy and sprinkles. I chose not to decorate the handle, but you could. Add a bow, fill it with candy, and there you have your basket. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.